In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage filter logic in Salesforce to efficiently handle your data. This is a powerful feature that allows you to manipulate and explore the data within your Salesforce environment, making it easier to obtain insights critical to your business operations. Let's dive right in. To commence, ensure you're logged into your Salesforce account. We'll start by navigating to the home page. This is your control center, where you'll access the tools needed for today's task. Now, locate the App Launcher icon, often represented by a grid in the upper left corner of your screen, and give it a click. This will open a menu showing all the applications and objects available in your Salesforce org. Once in the App Launcher, look for and click on Opportunities. This takes us to the Opportunities tab, where you can manage sales deals at various stages in the pipeline. Next, it's time to fine-tune your view by clicking on the More Settings button. This opens up additional options to better tailor your dashboard to your needs. From here, select All Opportunities. This view provides a comprehensive look at all sales opportunities, critical if you're aiming to apply filters across the board. Now, direct your attention to the Filters button, an essential tool for customizing how data is displayed. Click on it, and then proceed by clicking Add Filter. In the filter setup first, you'll choose a field which represents the data column you wish to filter by. Once your field is selected, you will specify an operator. The operator defines the filter logic. Consider what you want to do with the data, such as filtering out based on exact matches, greater than or less than comparisons. After choosing your operator, input the desired value. This value is the specific parameter you're targeting with your filter criteria. With your filter set, click Done to apply these changes. At this point, you may realize you need to add another filter. Don't worry, you can, just like before, add multiple filters. Once you've added another, choose a different field and operator as needed, providing an accompanying value if necessary. Hit Done again to solidify these adjustments. Now it's time to incorporate filter logic by pressing Add Filter Logic. This is where you can dictate how the filters relate to one another. For example, you might use AND to indicate that both filter conditions must be met, or OR to meet at least one condition. This enhancement allows you to capture the data subset that meets your specific business needs. After inputting your filter logic, click Save to preserve all your hard work. Congratulations! You're now adept at using filter logic in Salesforce to improve data visibility, thus enhancing your ability to make informed business decisions. This skill is invaluable for any Salesforce user aiming to utilize the platform's full potential. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.